there, Tinkercad friends. I've got a project I'm doing for somebody here, a dual extrusion keychain, which I guess I would call a two-part keychain. When you bring out a box, I like to click the little white corners, and I like to make it 25 millimeters by 70 millimeters, and then clicking on the top one to make it 2 millimeters thick. This is what I call the keychain base. I'm going to just move it to the middle. It doesn't really matter where I put it, it's just where I like to put it. I'm going to bring out a cylinder hole and I'm going to shrink it down to 5 millimeters because I found that that's a pretty nifty size to make the hole on my keychain. I like to move that using the arrow keys, and I'm just going to nudge it into place. I'm going to switch to the nifty top view and make sure that it's aligned the way I want. Once I've got those two parts aligned, I simply grab them both. Note that it says 2 shapes are selected and I group them. You have instantly created the first part that you're going to print, or the first piece of your dual extrusion keychain. I like to use the work plane to set the words on top. Click on that top and then scroll down and find the text. Bring your text out. I'm going to pick a different color just so it looks cooler on my project. And I'm going to put in my cool word. I am going to use HLModTech today. I'm going to click on it and then make it 1.5 millimeters thick. And then this is really cool. If you grab the black handles, it moves your design only in that direction. I'm going to hide the little panel for a moment, and once again I'm going to grab the black panel. What that did was it kept my 1.5 millimeters, but let me adjust the rest. I'm going to use the scroll wheel to scroll in, and now I have got my keychain the way I want it to look, and I am actually done with creating my sweet keychain. Now, in order to print it on a MakerBot printer, I need the 2 separate pieces. So all I'm going to do is click on the base, and I'm going to export that as an STL. I've got a special folder where I put them, and I'm going to label it keychain base, which I always do as KCB. And then I'm going to put HLMT so I know which one it is. So that's my keychain base for HLModTech. I'm going to click away. I'm going to hit W to get rid of the work plane so the orange is gone. I'm going to click on my words, and I'm going to export the words as well as an STL. And they will be keychain words, which is KCW in my world. And then I'm going to put HLMT so that I've got that saved as well. At this point, I am done. I can go into my MakerBot software, the MakerBot desktop, and I just bring in both pieces, making sure that my words are above my base. I pick the colors, and bam, I have just created a dual extrusion keychain. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps you. Have a great day and keep learning, friends.